Mythology provide a fertile ground for creativity and inspiration, as well as examining their impact across various artistic expressions. We'll also touch upon the importance of debunking myths and misconceptions. Myths present a vast array of characters, settings, and themes that can spark new ideas and inspire creativity. The narratives of gods, heroes, and mythical creatures offer writers and artists a wealth of material to draw upon, encouraging them to explore complex emotions, moral dilemmas, and fantastical worlds. Many myths deal with identity, transformation, and the human experience, encouraging artists to explore these themes in their own works. For instance, tales of metamorphosis, such as those found in Ovid's Metamorphoses, where characters undergo physical or spiritual transformations, resonate deeply with themes of personal change and self-discovery. Mythological narratives often blur the lines between reality and fantasy, inviting audiences to envision worlds where the impossible becomes possible and logic gives way to wonder. This sense of intrigue and possibility ignites the imagination, driving creativity in various artistic forms. From ancient sculptures, like those of Greek gods, to Renaissance paintings that depict mythological themes like Botticelli's The Birth of Venus, mythology has long served as a fundamental source of inspiration for artists. These artworks convey not only aesthetic beauty, but also complex narratives that explore human emotions and values. Myths have been integral to the development of literature throughout history. Epic poems like Homer's, the Iliad, and the Odyssey established narrative traditions that continue to inform storytelling techniques today. Modern authors draw inspiration from mythological themes and archetypes to craft their own tales, reflecting universal human experiences. Mythology has also influenced composers and playwrights. Operas, ballets, and contemporary musicals often adapt mythological stories, enabling audiences to engage with these themes through music and performance. Wagner's Ring Cycle, based on Norse mythology, exemplifies this synthesis of myth and musical art. Today, contemporary literature and films continue to draw heavily on mythological themes. Works like Neil Gaiman's American Gods and Rick Riordan's Percy Jackson and the Olympian series reinterpret ancient myths for modern audiences, merging tradition with new perspectives on identity, culture, and society. The influence of mythology is also evident in visual media, including video games that incorporate mythological narratives like God of War, which draws heavily from Greek and Norse myths. These media invite players to explore rich storylines and characters shaped by ancient legends. Various genres, including fantasy and science fiction, often borrow from mythological archetypes, allowing creators to explore imaginative and complex themes while engaging with ancient narratives. This blending invites reimaginings of traditional myths, uncovering new meanings and relevance in contemporary contexts. While mythology is a fertile ground for creativity, it is also essential to distinguish myths from facts. Many myths arise from cultural narratives, addressing human fears, values, and aspirations, but they may also propagate misconceptions that can cloud our understanding of history or science. Engaging with mythology critically allows us to appreciate its artistic and cultural significance, while recognizing the differences between mythological narratives and historical truths. Educating ourselves and others about the origins and roles of myths enhances our understanding of their place in society. By debunking myths and misconceptions, we empower ourselves with knowledge and foster informed discussions, reverberating across fields like anthropology, literature, and psychology. This process enhances our appreciation for the complexities of human thought and creativity. Through this exploration, we acknowledge the inherent value of mythology in shaping our collective imagination, while simultaneously upholding the importance of thoughtful interpretation in understanding the world around us.